Hello viewers at home, welcome to St. Charles Online Teaching from Cultural and Creative Art Department. I am your teacher, Ezechukwu Chinenye, with the topic Costumes, Makeups and Beads. Before we proceed, let us look at some specific objectives. By the end of the lessons, the students should be able to 1. Define costumes. 2. Mention two functions of costumes. 3. State two relationships between costumes and makeup. 4. List two types of makeup. 5. What is makeup? Definition of costumes and makeup. Costumes. Costumes is the clothes worn by actors in a play or film movies or worn by someone to make them look like something else. Makeup. These are substances used especially by women to make their faces look more attractive. Makeup is also used by actors to change their appearance on stage. These substances include the powder, like white powder or brown powder, the lipstick. We have many colors of lipstick. They will apply it on their mouth so that they will look attractive. The eye pencil, the eyeshadow, and so on. Functions of costumes. Costumes perform various functions such as 1. The occupation. Costume tells about a person's job. An actor on uniform indicates a student or people, or an actor on uniform indicates a policeman, the uniform they wear, the militant, the chiefs. Likewise, an actor in a suit with suitcase in his hand indicates a businessman or a civil servant or any personalities. 2. Gender. Under gender, we have sex, whether male or female. An actor's dress shows the gender of a person. If it is a man, he will put the dress of a man, whether the chief or the traditional ruler or the native doctor and so on. Then the female, whether it is a lady or a married woman or a sister and so on. Then 3. Socio-economic status. Costume tells about the class of the actors wearing. Example, the actor playing the part of a lower class will dress shabby, while the actor playing the part of a higher class will dress elegantly. 4. Historical period. Costume tells about the period of a play. For instance, if the play is from classical or baroque period or modern period or Renaissance period and so on, the costumes will be different from that of the modern period. 5. The age limit, whether a child or an adult or an old man. Costume tells about the actor. Example, the costume of a student will be different from that of a teacher. Likewise, the costume of a spinster or a young girl will be different from a costume of a married woman. The same thing, like a costume of a boy will be different from a costume of a man, and so on. Functions of makeup. Makeup performs various functions such as 1. The appearance. Makeup is used to change the appearance of an actor on stage. It is used to make an old face look younger and vice versa. You will see a young woman, she will apply many makeups, many powders, starting from the foundation and so on, so that she will be younger. And an old woman will do what? Will as well apply some powder so that her face will be younger. Then 2, the character. Makeup tells the character of an actor. From the makeup, it will be obvious whether the actor is acting a part of prostitute. She will use the makeup to do what? Apply some foundations so that she will be charming people. If the people see her, she will looks more attractive. Then makeup helps the native doctor to do what? To act well. You will see the native doctor when you look at his face, whether him or her, she will do what? Apply some facial mask in her face or in his face. Then the mad person, the doctors, the reverend fathers, the reverend sisters, and so on. Then 3, highlight. Makeup is used to highlight the facial appearance of an actor on stage to the audience. Then finally we have the crew. Makeup gives clue to the age, the health of the characters in the play, whether small or big, or whether the person is poor or rich, or looks sick, or sometimes looks happy. It is the makeup that gives clue to these characters in a play. Types of makeup. There are many types of makeup. These include 1. The straight or foundation makeup. This type of non-grease and is applied as a base before any dry powder is used on the face. It can serve as a foundation. We have the oil type. In this time, the girls, before they start making up, they will do what? Apply several powders in their face before they will do what? Apply the last one. It is the straight and foundation method. 2. Stage or character makeup. This is a type of makeup used slowly on actors on the stage. It does not go beyond the stage. It shows the character of the actor, whether a prostitute, a native doctor, a civil servant, a trader, and so on. Relationship between costumes and makeup. 1. Appearance. Both costumes and makeup are used in changing the appearance of an actor in the stage. 2. The character. They are used in giving clue to the character of an actor, such as prostitute, a workman, a businessman, and so on. These costumes and makeups makes the character of a person. It indicates the character of a person. Like a prostitute, she will apply some foundation, some makeup, so that whether she will look like a monster or anything else. When she applies too much costumes on her face, she will look like something else. Then a workman, the costumes and makeup makes us to know whether he's a carpenter, he's a mechanic, he's a trader, and so on. Then we have the businessman. It is the costumes and makeup that shows us the character of the businessman, to know whether he's a banker, a trader, and anything, or a responsible person. Then we have the train, the clues. They give clue to the age, the health, the sound or good of an actor. Then the highlight. Both costumes and makeup highlight the appearance of an actor on a stage to the audience. Then we have the beadwork, because this is one of the costumes and makeups we use in drama or in movie industry or in films. Then beadwork. These are small pieces of round glass, wood, plastic, dish, or other materials like stone, diamond, seashell, which are threaded to form necklace or bangles or bracelets. Then we have the location of beads production. Beads are located from Ijebu-Ode, that is in Ogun State. Beads could be also located from Benin, that is Edo State. Or you can as well know that, remember that beads come from Bida. Then we have uses of bead. 1. Beads are used to beautification and decorations. If you look at me, you will see the necklace I applied on my neck is made of bead. With what? With diamond. 2. Beads are used for body decorations and plaiting of hairs. This time, you will see children, if they plait their hairs and make their hairs to look more beautiful, they will do what? They will apply different colors of beads in their hair. After plaiting their hairs, then some actors or some fans, if you see their body, you will see what? Some decorations, body decorations, they do on their hands or their bodies. It makes their body to be beautiful. Then 3. Beads are used for making handbags. Sometimes you will see some women or some girls carrying handbags made of beads. The slippers we wear. The purse, we use beads to make purse. The belts, the royal crown, the queen, the kings, the royal families, you will see them apply what? The royal crown made of beads. The flower vase, some flower vases are made of beads. After using the beads to do the flower vase, then we get beautiful flowers and put inside this. Then we have the costumes and garments decoration. That is the wear. The garment is the clothes we wear. Some clothes are made of beads. You can use beads to do a blouse or a trouser or a skirt. Then you wore it on your body. It makes you to look more attractive and beautiful. These are the examples of beadwork. From the diagram, you will see a god, that is Onitsha, the latter, decorated with bead. The necklace, we use bead to do some necklace. The bags, the big bags. Then the flasks made from gorge fruit. With what? With beads. The bangles. Then the earrings. We have many examples. The slippers, the shoes, and so on. Materials used for beads. We have many materials used for beads. 1. The rope or the thread. 2. The bottle cover. You can as well gather some bottle cover, that is the top of the bottles from beer parlors or from any place where we do some occasions, and drinks where there. You can as well gather some bottle covers there. and use it to do beads. The seeds, under seeds we have the beans, the corn, the peas, and so on. Then the baked clay. The baked clay is the clay we use to do what? To mold something. You can as well prepare that clay very well. Use it, cut it into small sizes, pass a hole inside it, and put the thread inside and gather them one by one. It will serve as the bead. 5. The smalls. The smalls we use to drink minerals, drink bottled waters, and so on. We gather all the straws, cut them small, then pass the rope inside it or the thread inside it and use it to form a bead. You can as well use straw to do a necklace. You can as well use straw to do a bag or a shoes, and so on. 6. Roll paper. You bend the cardboard papers or newspaper, cut them into pieces, then you roll them, fold them well, then so that the thread will pass inside it. Then you can use it to do beadwork. The crisps, the stone, then the books, the sharks. Then we have the hooks. Then we have also the buttons. These buttons we use to put on our clothes. Or you can do what? Gather all these buttons, different colors. Pass a thread inside it. Use it, tie it very well. Use it to do a cloth or a bag or bangles, and so on. Then we have the stick. Under stick we have the bamboo stick. You can gather some little bamboos, cut it into small sizes. You can as well use it to do beads. Then the adhesive or the gums you use to join all those items you cut. You join them together. Tools for making beads. 1. Sharpening tools like sandpaper or pliers. 2. Cutting tools like knife, handsaw, scissors, etc. 3. Piercing tools like drilling machine, the nails and the needles. 4. Hitting tools like hammer. We have come to the end of the lesson. Let us look at the evaluations. 1. What is costumes? 2. Mention 2 functions of costume. 3. What is makeup? 4. State 2 relationships between costumes and makeup. 5. Define beads. 6. List 4 materials needed for making of beads. 7. With either paper, bottle top, or clay, make a nice necklace and show it to your teacher. You can reach me through this WhatsApp contact 080-378-27937. Thank you.